now I open them after.
Yep.
Created a whole new TikTok account.
That's a good idea. Oh, dude, make it fucking hike hits or whatever.
Hike hits?
Yeah.
Someone's gotta carry the legacy since
Yeah, on
someone's
God.
moving to Oklahoma.
Yeah, real shit.
Hey, it is what it is.
Well, isn't it just fucking flat over there?
It is, but I've got a spot picked out.
Yeah, because you like went in, you like hold them together, and then you're gonna want to like take your hand off of them.
I'm gonna record it like this and then fan them out.
Okay. Holy fuck. That was big, I saw it.
Alright.
Hike hits, gonna get more views of Pokepals.
Nicholas with the
Packs.
Zygarde Xbox.
Can you absolutely height right here? This is not a comfortable way to sit, I'll tell you that.
Hunter, how'd that feel? A little bit behind the scenes action of Christmas pools.
It's not even in the price yet.